Good. Distinguished scholars, welcome once more to our channels. Thank you for partnering with us. Please continue to like our videos, continue to share them, and then continue to subscribe to our channel. We want to look at something very similar to the last video. In fact, it's the reverse of the operation that we learned how to do. In the last video, we learned how to convert surveyor's bearings to compass bearings. In this video, we want to learn how to convert compass bearings to surveyor's bearings. It's basically the same process. Illustrate the given compass bearing in a diagram bearing the four cardinal points. Then move from the north clockwise until you get to the straight line that defines the compass bearing. Whatever space you have covered in degrees is the surveyor's bearing, is the 3-digit bearing that is equivalent to that compass bearing. Let us take two examples quickly. What is the three-figure bearing equivalent of 61 degrees east of north? In other words, what is the 3-digit bearing equivalent of 61 degrees east of north? Or what is the surveyor's bearing equivalent of 61 degrees east of north? Remember that 61 degrees east of north is a compass bearing. Illustrate it in a diagram of four cardinal points: north, south, east, and west. 61 degrees east of north means move from the north towards the east, covering 61 degrees. That is 61 degrees east of north. Interestingly, if we were to convert this to a 3-digit bearing, we are also going to move from the north clockwise till we get to the straight line. So, just by the insertion of 0 in front of 61 degrees, we would have gotten the 3-digit bearing that is equivalent to 61 degrees east of north. Clearly, 61 degrees east of north is equal to 061 degrees. Therefore, 61 degrees east of north is equal to 061 degrees. That is the surveyor's bearing, and here is the compass bearing. Let's look at another example. Example 2. Express 20 degrees west of south as a surveyor's bearing. Here's our answer. Don't forget that we are basically going through the same process. First, illustrate the given bearing in a diagram. Illustrate the given bearing in a diagram. So the diagram for this will be That is north, here is south, here is east, and here is the west. 20 degrees west of south means move 20 degrees from the south towards the west. Here is the south, that's the west. So we are moving 20 degrees from the south towards the west. So this is the 20 degrees. So this diagram illustrates this compass bearing. What then is the surveyor's bearing equivalent? Don't forget, the surveyor's bearing, you move clockwise from the north till you get to the straight line. Here is the straight line, that is the north. So if you move clockwise, this gap will be the surveyor's bearing, which is from the north to the south 180 degrees. Then from the south to the straight line, according to the question, is 20 degrees. So it means that 20 degrees west of south is equal to 180 degrees, the space from the north to the south, plus 20 degrees, the space from the south towards the straight line. And if you add 20 to 180 degrees, that will give you 200 degrees. It therefore means that 20 degrees west of south is 200 degrees. That is the surveyor's bearing. Here is the compass bearing. To check whether you have understood anything, look at this speedboard. Speedboard. Change the following to 3-digit bearings. Number 1, 50 degrees east of south. Number 2, 17 degrees west of north. Number 3, 36 degrees east of north. And finally, number 4, 15 degrees west of south. I'm expecting your attempt of this fieldwork through our comment section. Thank you for viewing this video. Please don't forget to click the like button. If you don't mind, kindly share it with friends and those who are in senior secondary school preparing for their external examinations. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until we meet with you again in the next video, please continue to study very hard. Don't forget that knowledge is power. Thank you.